And as protests grow across the country, so does the level of concern from health experts who worry that large protests, even the use of tear gas, will cause a huge rise in coronavirus cases. More parts of the country are cautiously opening up today as the number of COVID-19 cases is on the rise in about half of the states.
And more than 106,000 people have now died from the virus, and health officials are warning of a new COVID concern for protesters who are targeted with tear gas. CBS 4's Tom Hanson has the details.
In downtown Chicago, salons, hotels, and outdoor restaurants now have a green light to welcome back customers. Florida has been working to reopen its economy, even as the Sunshine State posted its biggest daily gain of coronavirus cases in 6 weeks. Dr. Anthony Fauci expects the U.S. will have a couple 100 million doses of a COVID-19 vaccine by early next year, but he warns that vaccine will likely be limited in how long it can protect people.
When you look at the history of coronaviruses, the reports in the literature are that the durability of immunity that's protective ranges from 3 to 6 months to almost always less than a year. That's not a lot of durability of protection.
Health experts remain concerned that protests over the death of George Floyd, like the ones that we've seen here in New York City, can become breeding grounds for the coronavirus to spread. Oklahoma State linebacker Amen Ogbongbemiga tweeted Tuesday night he's tested positive for COVID after attending a protest in Tulsa. And Tampa's police chief says as many as 5 of his officers were exposed to an infected protester earlier this week. Health experts are also concerned about the effects of tear gas that law enforcement authorities are using to disperse crowds. Tear gas can incite coughing, and the CDC warns it can cause breathing problems such as asthma.
We are really trying to work with each of the mayors to expand testing availability over the next week or two so that the individuals who are involved in the peaceful protests can get tested.
The protests have also shut down some testing sites in Florida, California, and Illinois. Tom Hanson, CBS News, New York.